How to make money online. 1. Start a blog. Creating and maintaining a blog is one of the best ways to make money online. 2. Take surveys. Participating in surveys is an easy way to make some extra cash. Some survey sites you can use include SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and MyPoints.3. Become a virtual assistant. If you're organized and have great customer service, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Several websites, like Time etc., hire remote virtual assistants who can help with a wide range of tasks. 4. Sell your products or services. Use your skills and resources to create and market products or services online. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, audio files, and artwork. 5. Become an online tutor. For those who are knowledgeable in certain areas, becoming an online tutor is a great way to make extra money. Sites like Schoolly and Tutor.com help connect tutors with students who need homework help. 6. Freelance work. If you have a particular skill that companies need, you can offer freelance services and make money. With the rise of platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, anybody can offer freelance services.